I'm meteorologist Meg McNamara. I wanted to give you the latest 8 a.m. update from Hurricane Isaias. No change in strength since the last update. Maximum sustained winds at 85 miles an hour, moving northwest at 12 miles an hour. So hurricane conditions, dangerous storm surge for the Bahamas today, and then moving towards that east coast of Florida late tonight into tomorrow. So I want to show you the latest track here. So we see it continuing on that northwest path and then moving up the east coast of Florida here. Of course, we still don't know just how close it is going to be to the east coast of Florida, potentially making a landfall there. And then we see it continuing this track up the eastern seaboard, potentially making another landfall over the coast of the Carolinas and then towards Maryland on Tuesday. So again, never pay attention to the exact line. It's anywhere within this cone that we could see the center of the storm moving. Here in Maryland, we are talking at least heavy rainfall. As we take a look at the computer models here, so seeing a wide spread there, but for the most part in agreement here. This one really interesting. So this shows us basically the mean of those computer models here, keeping the center away from Maryland here. But again, too soon to tell. Lots of uncertainty. Just stay with us as we continue to track this storm. Here's a look. So tropical storm force winds here. So potentially here when we see the area of purple, 90% chance here. So you can see the likelihood of these winds moving along that east coast of Florida. And then of course we're talking the heavy rain possible. So red and purple, 6 to 12 inches of rain. So really expecting portions there of the east coast of Florida to get a good soaking. But again, remember where we see the strongest quadrant of a hurricane is that northeast quadrant here. Bright pink, hurricane warnings in effect here for much of the east coast of Florida. As for Maryland, so we know at least heavy rain. As for how much, too soon to tell. Some places could see 4 inches, 4 to 6 inches. We're also talking potentially some strong winds, storm surge, dangerous surf. Again, though, we just don't know at this point. A lot will depend on the track that it takes and how close that center ends up to Maryland. Of course, we'll have more updates right here and then on air and of course on all our social media. So stick with us. We'll have an update coming up in just a little bit. I'm meteorologist Meg McNamara.